Hi, this is Natalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to do the winner's drawing for the Boho Summer Collab. That's a collaboration that I did together with Suzanne from Nonstop Papercrafts. We designed a kit together, Bohemian Summer, and we had challenges in 4 Facebook groups. HCC, Hashtag Crafty Corner was joining us, Sweet Pea Papers was joining us from Terry, and Suzanne is also an admin in Junkjournaling for everyone, so she ran the challenge in that group, and I did the challenge, of course, in LineDotArrow. And we also have a separate winner's drawing, and I know Suzanne's winner's drawing is already uploaded. She did one and 5 winners, and each one can pick a kit from her shop. And I'm going to do mine, also 5 winners, and you can pick a kit from my shop. And in HCC and Sweet Pea Papers, it's kind of different because they don't have their own designers, and so we thought, well, they both pick 5 winners. They can choose between a kit from Suzanne or a kit from LDA, from LineDotArrow. And today it's my turn, and I know, oh, so sorry, I have to say, Terry's drawing is also uploaded, and HCC also did a drawing because I was invited in their live drawing. So that was my first time doing a live. Yeah, it was quite an experience. I really liked it. So thank you, ladies, for inviting me. But let's start by doing my drawing now. I'm going to switch to the bigger screen so you can see the wheel. Let me do that, one moment. So we switched to the name picker wheel. I even added a dreamcatcher at the back. The names are very tiny because there were a lot of entries. I'm going to spin 5 times. 5, not 4, but 5. And if your name is drawn, I will take your name off the wheel completely, so everybody has a chance of winning. Let's do the first winner's drawing. Here we go. And the first winner we have is Debbie Smith. Congratulations, Debbie. Please let me know in a PM which kit you want to receive, and I will send it to you. I'm going to remove your name, and we are going to do a second spin. So this is for the second spin. And the winner is Stacy Merritt. So congratulations, Stacy. You won one of my kits. And let me know which one you want to receive. And you will be deleted. There you go. Sorry, I bumped the camera. And now we are going to spin for the second drawing. So here we go for the no, sorry, not the second, the third drawing. My mistake. number 3 is Gez Carpenter. I hope I pronounce this the right way, but if I don't, I'm sorry, because I really don't know how to pronounce it, but we say Gez Carpenter. So congratulations, send me a private message to tell me which kit you want to receive. I'm going to lead you from the wheel. It will take a moment. And now we are going to spin for the 4th time. So let's go for number 4. And number 4 is Nelda. Nelda, you won a kit. Congratulations. Send me a private message to tell me which kit you want to receive. I'm going to delete Nelda. And now we are going to spin for the 5th time. And number 5 is Sandra Chanko. You won too. Congratulations, Sandra. Send me a private message and let me know which kit you want to receive. And yeah, I'm going to switch back to the desk now. One moment. So yeah, congratulations to all the winners, and a massive thank you from the bottom of my heart for everybody who joined in with these challenges. I want to thank the Gez design team members for joining in too. And I also want to thank, of course, my own design team members that they worked very hard too, and everybody worked very hard. And I think, beside the challenges of us making, like the tassel and the dreamcatcher and a little passport thingy, and for Suzanne, she had travel ephemera like the luggage tag and everything. I think the challenge for most of us was doing boho, because boho is not something you do very often. To be honest, I only made one boho kit before, Bohemian Dreams it was called, and I had a journal from that, and there's a flip through on my channel, and also show and tell video of the kit. But the point is, I didn't do that many times, and this is the 2nd time I'm doing boho. And yeah, I'm going to do it this month again, because I'm in a Rachel's collaboration and it's also boho themed. But I have to say, it's difficult to, and I will get there because there's a lot to explore on boho, but it's difficult to do something different every time, because on when we do boho, we think of bright colors, dream catches, feathers, and tassels. But there's a lot more to boho. So yeah, I'm going to explore this month, but it's also another challenge. Even though I did boho before, it still is a challenge. So that's why I'm super duper proud of everybody that made the most gorgeous things and posted in the Facebook group. I'm pretty sure I didn't comment on every post or even did a heart or a like or a whoa. That doesn't mean I didn't see it. It only means there's so much going through the feed that I can't keep up, which is a good thing for me and for Suzanne, because we reached a large audience joining in, so that's great. But I can imagine you feel like I didn't see it, but I did. I did see all the posts for sure. Again, thank you very much. Also, thanks to all the groups joining in. Also, very thank you. Very fun. Was a lot of fun. Sorry, I'm confused about the language. It was a lot of fun. You joined in, and yeah, it really made a difference. So yeah, I can say May was a hit. And now we're in June, and in June we're going to do something completely different. We're going to celebrate my 3-year anniversary. That was actually in April, but in April my mother-in-law died, so I thought, well, this is not the right time to celebrate a 3-year Etsy anniversary. And the first week challenge is making like little fairy house tags. I have this one. This one is mounted onto like a card because I made a mistake. I started sewing on the tag, but also had the back already on, so the sewing was also visible at the back, so I just glued it on a piece of cardstock, and I'm going to put it in my journal. And this a third thing I made was this belly band dangle tag. This is also a freebie. This is the tiny version. I uploaded the tiny version in the Facebook group. I don't have this one in the Etsy, in the coffee shop. And this is one of the tags from the kit, and it slides in here. And from for all, I have videos of these, not of this one because this one was my tryout. And I also created a little, I started creating a little frame for my journal, and this is the start. I glued her down, so she's definitely in. But this is the this is the start of my fairy journal. I also have a how to make the cover because I ripped the cover by accident, so I had to make a new one. But this is, I'm not sure if it's going to be like this because I think will be adding lots of other stuff. And this, I know this is glue, but I am going to cover it. This is just to make the cover sturdy, and that's all. But yeah, I'm having a lot of fun, and I was having so much ideas. So you will see me work on these, and also a little bit on, quite a large bit, to be honest, on the Boho collab. I've been working on that too, but I'm still not there. I'm half May. It's my turn, so I have time. But yeah, this is the giveaway for today. Thanks again for joining in. Congratulations to everybody who won. Send me a private message. Tell me which kit you want to receive. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you the next time. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.